Okay, now we have to discuss the concept of nth term of the arithmetic progression. Nth term of the arithmetic progression. Okay, let us take one of the example of arithmetic progression. Okay, so 4, 10, 16, 22, so on. Okay, so 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 10 plus 6 equal to 16, 16 plus 6 equal to 22, 22 plus 6 equal to 28, like that. Okay, already how to indicate the terms in AP. Okay, so arithmetic progression shortcut, we have to say AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Okay, so first one, terms are indicated by like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, so on. Okay, so except for remaining terms are obtained by adding a fixed number 6 to get next number. Okay, do you know that fixed number? You have to say that fixed number is called 6. Okay, so that can be named as a common difference. What is the difference between 4 and 10? 6. What is the difference between two consecutive numbers 10 and 16? 6. What is the difference between 16 and 22? 6. What is the difference between 22 and 28? Okay, that is 6. So that 6 is called common difference. So here 6 is called, plus 6 is called common difference. What is meant by common difference? Common difference means difference between two consecutive numbers in an arithmetic progression is called common difference. This is indicated by letter D. This is indicated by letter D. Okay, so here D means common difference. 4 A1, 6 D, 10 A2, 6 D, 16 A3, D is 6, like that. Okay, now what is D here? D equal to difference between two consecutive terms in AP. Difference between two consecutive terms in AP. That means D equal to, how to get this 6? 10 minus 4, that equal to 6. How to get this 6? 16 minus 10 equal to 6. How to get this 6? 22 minus 16 equal to 6. So here 10 means A2, 4 means A1. Their difference means A2 minus A1. That means 10 minus 4, that equal to, you get 6. Or A3 minus A2. So 16 minus 10 equal to 6. Next, A4 minus A3. So 22 minus 16, that equal to 6. And A5 minus A4. So 28 minus 22 equal to 6. So here D means difference between two consecutive terms in AP. That is called D. That is called D. So how to find D? D equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, A5 minus A4, so on. AN minus 1. Okay, AN minus 1. This is nth term. This is before term, that means n minus 1th term. So AN minus 1. So 5n, 4 means 5 minus 1. So n minus 1. So that is known as D. Now we have to find the nth term of the AP. Okay, like A1. is equal to 4. Okay, this is also considered as A. Next, A2, that equal to 10. How to get 10? 4 plus 6. Here 4 means the first term is indicated by A plus 6. 6 means what? D. Common difference, D. So A plus D. A3 equal to how much? 16. How to get 16? 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. 10 means A plus D plus A plus D. 10 means plus 6 means another D. A plus D plus D. So A plus 2D. A plus 2D. A4 that equal to 22. How to get 22? 16 plus 6 equal to 22. So here 16 means A plus 2D plus 6 means D. So A plus 2D plus D, A plus 3D. Okay, A5 that equal to 28. How to get 28? 22 plus 6 equal to 28. So 22 means A plus 3D plus D, that equal to A plus 4D. Okay, so you write nth term AN. Okay, how to write nth term? Okay, what you observe here, if you have number one term, 1 is there, here the coefficient of D equal to 0. Here term 2, this is 2, the coefficient of D is 1. Here term 3, the coefficient of D is 2. Term 4, the coefficient of D equal to 3. Term 5, coefficient of D equal to 4, as well as 10th term A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, once again, 1 is there, coefficient of D is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 is there, 2 minus 1, that equal to 1. 3 is there, 3 minus 1, that equal to 2. 4 is there, 4 minus 1, that equal to 3. 5 is there, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. N is there, n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula for nth term of the arithmetic progression. So an what here? N indicates nth term. So an means nth term. A5 means fifth term. A4 means fourth term. A3 means third term. A2 means second term. So what is the formula for nth term of AB? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into 2. So therefore nth term of an AP is equal to An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. This is the formula for nth term of the AP. For example, if you want to write 100th term, how? So A100 equal to A plus, okay, you subtract 1 to its coefficient, so that means 99D. Yes or no? For example, if you want to find a 50th term, A50 equal to A plus 49D, you subtract 1. For example, if you want to write A 999th term, okay, that means 999th term of AP, simply write A plus 998D. If you want to write 17th term, simply write A 17 equal to A plus 16D. Okay, you subtract 1 from its coefficient. Okay, if you want to write A 25th term, A25 equal to A plus 24. A plus 24D. Okay, so this is known as nth term of the AP. In any way, what is the formula for nth term of the AP? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so in our next class, with the help of this nth term, we have to do some of the problems.